Welcome to Inkvent 2025, brought to you from Enigma Stationery. This is Nancy with Scathingly Brilliant Idea, and I'm so excited to show you this calendar this year. This is the first Inkvent calendar I've ever done, and I was intrigued about this one in particular after hearing about it from Brad at the Pen Addict, because it's exclusive to only 50 people. So I signed up early, and it's here. I am going to give you a little bit of an overview and then go into the day by day without providing any spoilers. There's a nice card inside from Dan, Michelle, and Penn, wishing you well. It has their logo on the back, and the files all come in this nice vacuum sealed case. So there's no spillage whatsoever. And as I pull them out, you're going to see that they come in a nice, tidy little tray, and they are numbered. So the numbers represent the day that that ink is to be opened, and there's a corresponding scratch sheet inside that is going to tell you what the ink is for that day. The wrapping is very secure. There are little pieces of transparent clingy tape, almost like a plumber's tape, around the neck of each of the vials, just to ensure that there is no leakage. And I did not find any at all. So that was very nice. Inside the envelope, let's see what else is in here. So there is the nib holder that I ordered and the base. So I got it in the silver and the copper base, and the holes in that are so that you can put the vials in each and have a nice little display case. Let's look at the letter that they enclosed. It says, "Dear Ink Lover, welcome to Enigma Inkvent 2025. We are thrilled to share our fourth annual set to help you celebrate this season with great ink samples. Only 50 sets remain this year, and for the first time, all sets feature the same 25 inks. If you plan to share your set on social, be sure to tag your posts with Enigma Inkvent 2025 so we can all join the fun together. We will also be revealing each ink on our social feeds and on enigmastationery.com throughout the month of December, delayed by a day to avoid any spoilers. Another first this year is that we mixed 3 of the colors ourselves using a popular brand's base ink colors. When we reveal those inks online, we will also share the recipe in case anyone wants to recreate them at home. The set includes the Inkvent stand and base, 25 numbered ink samples, a scratch-off sheet to reveal each day's ink name, and a red spoiler envelope with printed vials for storage. Special guest is a storage tray that holds 25 ink samples, a set of ink splatter magnets, and ink splatter stickers designed by Michelle that won't be launched to the public until later this year. We hope you'll get as much enjoyment out of this set as we've experienced while putting it together for you. Thank you for sharing our family tradition. We wish you the best for the remainder of 2025, and here's to an outstanding 2026. I bet the stickers are back in that envelope. Let me check. Yep, there they are. Let's take a closer look. Oh, those are nice. Look at those. All the different colored ink splatters. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, more ink splatters. Very nice. Definitely have to use those. So here's how I'm going to do this. I am going to be doing this all now since it's in November. I'm on sabbatical still, and I know I'm not going to have time to do this every day. in the month of December. But I'm not going to show any spoilers. And I will just release the videos on the day that it happens. So what that involves is scratching off the number on the scratch off sheet that corresponds to the vial with the number on top of it for the day. I'm going to swatch it in a couple of different ways. I have a Christmas tree I'm building on Canopus paper, and I also have a snowflake window pane on Tomoe River Paper. And in addition to that, I'll be building my individual swatches using an A5 snap pad on View Corona paper that I cut myself. And let me just grab that for you. So here is A4 size View Corona paper that I got from Jet Pens a while back. And I cut the A4 into half to make the A5 size. And I find that A4 actually is the most economical way to purchase these specialty papers. And of course, an A5 cut in half is an A6. So it's a very versatile size to have on hand. Then after I cut it, I used the puncher that I purchased from Postal Co., which makes the snap pad, and put the two holes that fit into the binding system at the top of the snap pad. So I have that all ready to go, in addition to my snowflake pane and my Canopus Christmas tree. So we'll be trying these on 3 different papers. Now for the Christmas tree, the washi, the purple washi is just going to be used to create a frame to keep the ink contained in each of the rows, and I'll be swatching different amounts as the rows go up. And then on the window panes, I actually use the Okidel. It's a resistant ink, so it actually, the color doesn't adhere to the stamp that has been pushed down into the Ukidel ink. It just shows up around it. So, and I am keeping the window panes on that because I think that'll look pretty. So I'm excited to try that out and see what it looks like when it's all finished.